Hi everyone and welcome to TechSam's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb on your iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. So for that, you can simply open the control center here and tap on the moon icon here. This is the option for Do Not Disturb. When you tap on it, it will enable the Do Not Disturb mode. So to disable do not disturb mode, you can simply tap back on this moon icon here. It will disable the do not disturb mode. So again, if you want to have more settings, if you want to maybe enable this do not disturb mode for an hour or until this evening, you can simply choose anything you want. I want to enable do not disturb mode for an hour. I select for an hour, and that's it. This will just enable do not disturb mode for an hour. And there are many other settings as well. If you want, you can simply uh, simply lock people, or if you just want to maybe receive notification for some people, you can add them here. Or if you want to receive notifications or calls maybe from other apps, you can as well just add the apps here. And here you can customize the screen as well. You can customize your home lock screen, and you can customize your lock screen, which apps to show, which apps to not show. And here you can add schedules, like every day I want to just maybe from time to time I just want to enable this do not disturb mode automatically. I can do it from here, or I can choose a location for that, or maybe when I open my books I can choose an app from here as well, or I can use a smart activation. uh, so that's it. That's how you use do not disturb mode on your iPhone 14. So how to enable and disable as well, you got it. So thank you for watching and have a good day.